Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver on Oracle Linux 10.0, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database admins, analysts, and everyone working with the data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MariaDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family, and more. And see here we have the two types of versions, Community and Pro. In this video we are going to download and install Community. So click on Download. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.1. For Oracle or Fedora or Arma Linux or Red Hat, we have to download this Linux RPM package. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started and its size is 126 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM pack. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd downloads, ls. Now install this RPM package. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then give DBeaver. Give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications. So applications. See here we have the DBeaver C. C means community edition. Click on it to open. Confirm. I don't want. Now click on this plus button to add the new database connection. Then select PostgreSQL or MySQL, because PostgreSQL or MySQL installed on this PC. This machine, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL or MySQL on Oracle Linux. Click on it and click on next. Then host name is localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this machine. Default port is 5432. Database Postgres. So all databases. I have the user Postgres. If you have some other user, you can provide that one. Then we have to provide the password of the user that you have given here. Then click on this test connection. Now we have to download the driver files. Click on download. See, connected successfully. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand database connection. Expand databases. See here, we have these databases. If you want to queries against any one of these databases, right click, SQL editor, open SQL console. Now we can run the queries here. Customer. I have a table customer. Okay. Now select the query and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay. So cancel this one. If you want to disconnect, right click, disconnect. Then delete the connection. Right click, delete it. Click on this. Now we will see how to connect MySQL. Click on it. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. Then host name is same. Default port is 3306. I have the database bank. Username root. Then provide the password of this root account. Then click on this test connection. Click on download for drivers. Successfully downloaded. See, this is the expected error. So click on OK. I will show you the error and resolution. Go to driver properties. Click on this allow public key retrieval. See, it is by default false. Select it to true. Then click on finish. See, now we are able to connect. See, databases users. See here, these are the users. If you want to create user, right click and click on create new user. If you want to create database, right click and click on create new database. And we have the different options. Okay, if you want to run queries, just right click on database, then select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Then we have to run the queries here. Okay, now go to terminal, ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. Rm, give DBeaver, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver Community Edition on Oracle Linux 10.0. Then we have connected both PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.